Hey guys, there's a sponsor here. I'll need you to wait for a second. I'm gonna set everything up on the couch. Alright, so here's the February toy review. So what should I start with first? Oh, I'll start with the one of the most iconic toys from my favorite video, of course, the Solar Power Ferris Wheel from Baby Beethoven in Symphony Number 6. Alright. Next we got this Amazon gift card from my Aunt Lindsay. Next we have the Happy Circle from Baby Newton. I swear, my favorite part in Baby Newton is the toys. I'm glad I have at least some of the toys if I not all of them. Then we got this 100 DVD pack. Then on the couch we have the Botman Bluetooth headphones. This is the charging cord. It also has an auxiliary thing right here. Here's the case for it. Here's that Lego train set from Mustafa. And all the directions on it. Here are some of the cards I got from my family. Grandma, Mima, Aunt Cheryl, Aaron Copeland CD I got from Nama. A Baby Yoda case. 128 capacity DVD pack. By the way, I made Shapes in Motion 2020. For some reason my DVD player is refusing to play it, but yeah. If you want it in better lighting, I can show it in better lighting. I did make the DVD of it. Here's the lacing beads in the box from Discovering Shapes. I don't know what that's doing there, but that's how it's set up in Discovering Shapes. And the rest of these, including these, are going to be my Discovering Shapes remake. And then we have some liquid timers. One of them's from Lullaby Time. Obviously, the one right there. We're going to set them all up. And we're just going to watch these for a few minutes. This one reminds me of the oil drop from Language Nursery. This is the one from Lullaby Time. This is basically the one from Lullaby Time, but instead of pink, it has green. So yeah. That one went off quickly. And then which one's gonna go down first? Obviously that one, and then here we are. Alright, and finally we have some CDs I'm going to review. already showed it in one of the live streams, but I'll just show it anyway. Content at the Content at the Park, discs 4 and 5. If you want to read the track list, just pause it. Front, back, side, other side, top, bottom, disc 4, and there's disc 5. A Little Night Music, Pachelbel, Albinoli, Mozart, and Musicae. Front, back. Eine kleine Not music's on there. Side, other side, top, bottom. Here's the CD. Here's the insert. Quiet music for quiet listening. Front, back. Discs 1, 2, and 3. Side, other side, top, bottom. Disc 1, disc 2, and if I can turn it, disc 3 and disc 4. And I forgot to mention disc 4 when I was reading the back. Alright, last two. Rachmaninoff, Piano Concerto No. 2, Rhapsody on a Theme from Pagani. Front, back, side, other side, top, bottom. Disc, and there we go. Read the back. And finally, Concert in the Park, discs 1, 2, and 3 this time. Front, back. If you want to read it, just pause it. Side, other side, top, bottom. Disc 1. I swear, this disc always falls onto the third one. I don't know why. But there's disc 2 and disc 3. So yeah, guys, that's everything I got for February. So yeah, that's all I got. That's everything I got for February. So be sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and see y'all later. Goodbye.